A small bird lived near a small town. Every day, a young boy walked past the field. The boy felt small in sight, just like the bird. People told him he was not good enough. The boy sat on a stone and watched the bird. The bird tried to fly and fell again and again. The boy saw pain in those tiny wings. It felt like watching his own life. At school, the boy failed many times. He tried to do better, but mistakes followed him. Friends moved ahead. He stayed behind in silence. One day, the bird fell hard. It stayed on the ground for a long time. The boy's chest felt tight. He whispered, "Please don't give up." The bird slowly stood up. It shook its wings and looked at the sky. The boy stood too. Something warm moved inside his heart. Every day, the boy came back. He watched the bird try again. He also started trying again. Small steps, slow days. The bird's wings grew strong. The boy's mind grew calm. Fear did not leave fully, but hope stayed. One evening, the bird flew. Not high, but free. The boy smiled with wet eyes. He felt like he was flying too. The lesson is clear. Life will push you down many times. You may feel small and tired, but if you stand up again, you will rise.